YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So if you like what you see, definitely keep watching because I'm gonna give you guys the tutorial on it. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, and keep coming back because I am bringing more and more each week.
So first we start off with sectioning our hair. I do it right above my ear because I feel like anything below my ear is too much hair, and we don't need too much hair. We need more out in the front. But definitely do that to both sides. I separate mine in two because it's just easier for me to part rather than just straight across. So that is a tip. Now I just get the back of my hair out the way. And this is my moisturizing process because of course y'all know I love to moisturize and I love to keep my hair just feeling good. Especially with color. If you put some color in your hair or any type of chemicals, make sure you moisturize and keep it moisturized. But anyways, so I'm just moisturizing. I'm not like paying attention to my sections. I'm not really doing anything, but I'm going in with my Cream of Nature moisture and my Cream of Nature curl activator cream, I think, and just braiding the whole back out of the way so I don't have to worry about it. And yeah, it's just getting time to dry really with the moisture. So this is this process. Now that the back is all braided and out the way, I'm starting with my front. So y'all know I am a side part girl. That just is what it is. I don't know, middle parts, I know I have to be real precise with both sides. So with side part, I don't really have to focus on each side. I just focus on one side individually. So that works for me. But yeah, definitely side part. And now I'm about to moisturize. So my moisturizing process is basically the same as the back, except for with this, I just use the moisture cream first. And then as I do each individual braid, I put the cream on. So that's the only difference. So now that we're done, we're about to start parting. So this right here, I realized my hair was a little bit too thin for the type of braid that I wanted in the front. And I didn't feel like braiding it from the front to the back. So as you see, I'm constantly just parting because even though that looks like a big little piece, once you braid it, it's literally nothing. Kind of like spinach. Like, you know when you cook spinach and like you put the whole bag in there, but like once it's cooked, it's like 3 pieces. That's how my hair is when I need to braid. So I just kept going back and back and back until I just realized, okay, Shawn, you have literally only a little piece back there. Might as well take that piece and join it with the front. Like, what are you doing? Like, I don't know why I had hope in my little piece, but I did. So now you see me actually doing what I should have did to begin with. I was just being lazy. I didn't feel like doing it. It's not that hard, honestly. It's really not. And I think I was making more of a big deal than it really was. But yeah, so I just did my 2 little pieces on both sides. I have that side, and now I'm about to do that side. And then I start braiding. But honestly, y'all, it's not as hard as it seems. Like, I used to be so discouraged with braiding like upside down or backwards, but it's really as simple as braiding forward if you know how to braid. Of course, I mean, if you don't know how to braid, then definitely it's going to be a lot harder. And of course, any style I do, y'all can literally substitute it with twist. I'm a braider, so that's just what I do. But any of my styles, literally, if you don't know how to braid, girl, flat twist that thing up, okay? Because like everybody does not know how to braid, and that's okay. Like I'll probably try to do more styles with twists, knowing that, you know, it is more complicated to braid, but I'm just a braider, so it just works for me. But I definitely will do more. If you guys, you know, just let me know, like, y'all want to see more twisted styles, I definitely got y'all. But everything I do is literally twist friendly as well. So you can replace the braids with the twist and it will still come out cute and you will still look good. So definitely do that. But yeah, so everything right now is really self-explanatory. I'm gonna just let y'all watch. Basically what I do to one side, I do to the other, and I just keep it moving. It's a real simple, easy style, and just something to spice up, you know, spice your hair up, because as a natural, y'all don't understand how much I just be wanting to put it in a puff and call it a day. But it's like, no, I want to be cute. Like, I don't want to put heat on my hair. I don't want to, you know, I can't do wigs. I don't know how to do wigs, y'all. I'm gonna be completely the freak honest. I be trying, but like it really be looking like a struggle. Like the women who can do wigs, literally kudos to y'all, because y'all really be doing it. But I'm a natural girl and I don't want to put heat on it, so it's like you gotta figure it out. So definitely follow me if you're a girly that's trying to embrace your natural and just looking for more things to do with it, because natural should not be blah. It should be fun. It should be flirty. It should be, you know, it should be but okay, so now y'all just gonna see me, you know, braid. I'm not gonna do it all because I don't want y'all to just be watching me braid. I know that's probably like tedious. So after this braid, I'm definitely just going to show you guys each part, because a lot of times when I watch styles, I want to know, you know, how they parted it and, you know, what they did in each kind of step. So that's basically what I did. So y'all, just didn't show y'all the actual braid except for this one. So love you guys. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. And if you have any like styles that you want to see done and you just want a tutorial on it, send it to me in my DMs at Shawn Imani on Instagram, because I would definitely put y'all on. Like any natural style that y'all see that y'all want a tutorial for, definitely send me the picture and I will recreate it and give y'all the deets, because girl, why not? But love you guys.